I'm out paddleboarding, thanks to some people. Whereas I just saw there's a bird over there. I don't have my glasses. I have to. Where is he? There he is. See him? Oh. What is that? He's got like a blue bill. There he is. What kind of bird is that? It looks kind of like a flamingo, but he's blue. Blue. You got a fish or some seaweed? You're hiding from me, I see. Hey, buddy. I won't hurt you. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh my goodness, he's so pretty. What are you, dude? Oh, it's hard to focus that close. Does he have web feet? I don't have my glasses. I can't see him if I put my phone down. I found some friends out here. There's a blue guy right there, and then there's one in the tree. Hey, buddy. Oh, there goes my blue friend. Taking off. Left with my other friend. I wish I had my glasses. I can see him better. Hey, is that a pigeon? Are you a pigeon, buddy? No? There's two. Is that a downy woodpecker?